name is Amethyst with WTI, and if you are looking for a nice, healthy kitten canned food, then you can look no further because I've got you covered with this Instinct Naturals chicken recipe pate for kittens. I love this stuff so very much. I love the Instinct brand. I've used plenty of their products before. I really trust them. I love the ingredients on this. The first 4 ingredients are chicken broth, salmon, and beef liver. I love that we have all of this meat in here for our carnivore pets. And then also, I love that there's no extra fillers that our cats might be allergic to. Things like grains, there's none of that in here. I love that. I really appreciate having these larger tins. I buy both the large and the small ones. I like these large ones for at home though because they work with those reusable lids. So I can just use a reusable lid on here so that I can make sure that they're going to stay safe and fresh. And I can usually get about 3 servings out of here. I also mix it with some kibble and water though to make a nice fuller meal for him. So he really loves this food as well. He goes absolutely ballistic for it, and whenever he's been on this food, his coat has been super healthy and shiny. He has had such perfect energy levels. He just is such a happy cat whenever he's on this food. So if you are looking, again, for your kitten, for something that is going to be nice and healthy, that you can trust the ingredients, then I do really recommend this one. Check with your vet. Make sure there's nothing that your cat might be allergic to in this, but if they say that it's a green light, then I personally really recommend this one, and that is my point of view.